Caregiver jobs in Italy 2025, free visa, and move with your family. Top care homes and hospitals hiring. Now all right guys, imagine this. You, working in beautiful Italy, enjoying delicious pasta while overlooking the rolling hills of Tuscany. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it doesn't have to be just a dream. In 2025, Italy is facing a massive demand for caregivers, and they're offering some incredible incentives to attract skilled workers from around the world, like you. Think about it, a free visa, the chance to bring your family along, and the opportunity to live and work in one of the most culturally rich countries on the planet. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and in this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know to make it happen. We're talking about the top hospitals and care homes that are hiring right now, the exact steps you need to take to apply, and some insider tips to maximize your chances of getting accepted. So, if you're ready to ditch the daily grind and embrace La Dolce Vita, stick around, because things are about to get interesting. San Camillo Hospital, your Roman caregiving adventure awaits first up. We're heading straight to the heart of ancient history, Rome. And let me tell you, this isn't just about tossing coins in the Trevi Fountain and snapping selfies with gladiators. We're talking about a real career move with San Camillo Hospital, one of the leading hospitals in Italy, known for its commitment to geriatric and home care services. Now, San Camillo isn't just some hospital stuck in the past. They're actively seeking international caregivers and are ready to sponsor your visa, making your transition to Italian life as smooth as freshly made gelato. Imagine strolling through the Colosseum on your day off, soaking up the rich history and culture, knowing you're building a stable future for yourself and your family. But what makes San Camillo really stand out is their dedication to their employees. They understand that relocating to a new country is a big decision, and they go above and beyond to make you feel welcome and supported. We're talking about comprehensive relocation packages that can include things like temporary housing assistance, Italian language courses, and even help with finding schools for your kids. And the best part? They're not just looking for any caregiver. They want you. Your unique skills, experience, and compassionate heart are highly valued at San Camillo. So if you're ready to swap traffic jams for ancient ruins and embrace the Italian lifestyle, San Camillo Hospital could be your perfect match. Humanitas Research Hospital, cutting-edge caregiving in Milan. Next up, we're traveling to the fashion capital of Italy, Milan. And while Milan is known for its high fashion and luxury brands, it's also home to one of Italy's most innovative and compassionate hospitals, Humanitas Research Hospital. Now, we're not talking about walking the runway here, but we are talking about walking the halls of a world-renowned hospital that's leading the way in medical advancements and patient care. Humanitas is actively seeking healthcare assistants and caregivers from all corners of the globe, and they're offering a chance to be a part of something truly special. Imagine working alongside some of the brightest minds in medicine, utilizing cutting-edge technology, and contributing to groundbreaking research, all while living in one of Italy's most vibrant and stylish cities. But it's not just about the prestige of working at Humanitas. It's about their unwavering commitment to creating a supportive and inclusive environment for their international employees. From cultural integration programs to ongoing professional development opportunities, Humanitas invests in your growth and well-being every step of the way. And let's not forget about the perks of living in Milan. Picture yourself enjoying aperitivo with colleagues in trendy Navigli, exploring the architectural masterpiece of the Duomo, or indulging in some of the finest Italian cuisine, all within reach of your new home. So, if you're passionate about providing exceptional care and want to be at the forefront of medical innovation, Humanitas Research Hospital is calling your name. Gruppo Korian, your gateway to nationwide caregiving opportunities. Now, let's say you're looking for a caregiving adventure that spans the entire Italian peninsula. Well, get ready to say ciao to Gruppo Korian, a leading provider of care homes and assisted living facilities across Italy. With Korian, you're not limited to just one city. You can explore the picturesque landscapes of Tuscany, soak up the sun on the Amalfi Coast, or immerse yourself in the Renaissance charm of Florence, all while building a fulfilling career. Korian understands that caregivers are the heart and soul of their organization, and they're committed to providing exceptional opportunities for international professionals. We're talking about competitive salaries, comprehensive benefits packages, and the chance to work in modern, well-equipped facilities. But it's not just about the job itself. it's about the Korian family. They foster a welcoming and supportive environment where diversity is celebrated and everyone feels valued. Regular social events, team-building activities, and mentorship programs are just a few ways Korian helps you connect with colleagues and feel right at home. And here's the best part. Korian is actively seeking international caregivers and is ready to guide you through every step of the visa and relocation process. They understand the challenges of moving abroad and are dedicated to making your transition as seamless as possible. So if you're ready to embrace the Italian lifestyle and make a difference in the lives of others, Gruppo Korian is waiting to welcome you with open arms. Chapter 4. Villa San Giovanni, Retirement Home. Experience caregiving with a Florentine flair. Now let's journey to the birthplace of the Renaissance Florence. A city renowned for its art, culture, and breathtaking beauty, Florence is also home to Villa San Giovanni, a well-known retirement facility that's redefining senior care. And guess what? They're searching for compassionate caregivers like you to join their team. Imagine strolling through the cobblestone streets of Florence on your day off, marveling at Michelangelo's David, or indulging in a scoop of gelato overlooking the Ponte Vecchio. At Villa San Giovanni, you can experience the magic of Florence while making a real difference in the lives of seniors. But it's not just about the location. Villa San Giovanni is committed to creating a warm and welcoming environment for both residents and staff. They understand that happy caregivers lead to happy residents, and they go above and beyond to ensure your well-being. From competitive salaries and benefits to professional development opportunities and a supportive team atmosphere, Villa San Giovanni invests in your growth and happiness. And because they believe in keeping families together, they offer relocation support and family-friendly policies that make it easier than ever to call Florence home. So, if you're ready to immerse yourself in Italian culture, embrace the Florentine lifestyle, and make a difference in the lives of seniors, Villa San Giovanni Retirement Home is the perfect place to start your Italian caregiving adventure. Chapter 5. Sant'Orsola Hospital, providing compassionate care in the heart of Bologna. Now let's shift gears and head to Bologna, a city renowned for its culinary delights, historic architecture, and world-class healthcare. Here, in the heart of this vibrant city, you'll find Sant'Orsola Hospital, a prestigious institution that's dedicated to providing exceptional care to its patients. And right now, Sant'Orsola is actively seeking healthcare assistants and caregivers who are passionate about making a difference in the lives of elderly patients. Imagine working alongside a team of dedicated professionals, utilizing your skills to provide comfort and support to those in need, all while experiencing the unique charm of Bologna. But Sant'Orsola is more than just a hospital. It's a community. They foster a supportive and inclusive environment where everyone feels valued and respected. From regular team-building activities to cultural exchange programs, Sant'Orsola goes the extra mile to help international employees feel welcome and integrated into their new home. And let's not forget about the perks of living in Bologna. Picture yourself strolling through the iconic porticos, indulging in delicious plates of tortellini and tagliatelle, or exploring the historic university district, all just steps away from your new life. So, if you're ready to embark on a rewarding caregiving career in a city that's as warm and welcoming as its famous Bolognese sauce, Sant'Orsola Hospital is the perfect place to start your Italian adventure. Chapter 6. Gruppo Korian Italia, your trusted partner for senior care across Italy. Alright, let's talk about Gruppo Korian Italia, a name synonymous with trust and excellence in the world of senior care. With multiple facilities spanning the Italian landscape, Orpea offers a wealth of opportunities for compassionate caregivers like you to make a real difference in the lives of seniors. Whether you're drawn to the bustling energy of Rome, the artistic charm of Florence, or the coastal beauty of Naples, Orpea has a location that's perfect for you. They understand that choosing the right environment is crucial for both your career and your personal well-being, and they offer a diverse range of facilities to suit your preferences. But it's not just about the location. It's about the Orpea commitment to excellence. They invest in their employees by providing ongoing training, professional development opportunities, and a supportive work environment that fosters growth and collaboration. They recognize that your skills and compassion are invaluable, and they reward your dedication with competitive salaries, comprehensive benefits packages, and opportunities for career advancement. And here's the best part. Orpea Italia is actively seeking international caregivers and is ready to sponsor your visa, making your dream of living and working in Italy a reality. They understand the ins and outs of the immigration process and will guide you every step of the way, ensuring a smooth and stress-free transition. So, if you're ready to join a trusted name in senior care, embrace the Italian lifestyle and make a lasting impact on the lives of others, Gruppo Korian, Italia is waiting to welcome you with open arms. Chapter 7. Oasi Care Group. Experience high-quality caregiving with comprehensive support. Now let's talk about the Oasi Care Group, a name synonymous with high standards of care and a commitment to creating a positive and rewarding environment for both residents and caregivers. With a network of facilities across Italy, Oasi offers a unique opportunity to experience the diverse beauty and culture of this incredible country, while making a real difference in the lives of those you care for. But Oasi is more than just a place to work, it's a place to grow. They're dedicated to investing in their employees and providing comprehensive support to help you thrive in your caregiving career. From specialized training programs to mentorship opportunities and ongoing professional development, Oasi empowers you to enhance your skills, expand your knowledge, and reach your full potential. And because they understand that relocating to a new country can be a big decision, Oasi Care Group goes above and beyond to make the transition as smooth as possible. We're talking about comprehensive relocation packages that can include assistance with finding housing, navigating the Italian bureaucracy, and even language courses to help you acclimate to your new surroundings. But it's not just about the practical support, it's about the Oasi family. They foster a warm, welcoming, and inclusive environment where diversity is celebrated and everyone feels valued and respected. Regular social events, team-building activities, and a strong emphasis on work-life balance create a sense of belonging and make you feel right at home. So, if you're a compassionate caregiver seeking a supportive and rewarding work environment, a chance to experience the best of Italy, and a company that truly values your contributions, look no further than the Oasi Care Group. Start your Italian caregiving adventure today. So, are you ready to start a new chapter of your life in Italy? Apply today for these caregiver jobs and take the first step toward building a brighter future for you and your family. Imagine yourself strolling through ancient ruins, savoring delicious Italian cuisine, and embracing the warmth of Italian culture, all while building a rewarding career in a country that values your skills and compassion. Once again, a huge thank you to my 20,000 subscribers for supporting this channel. And to the 95% of you who haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with someone who dreams of working abroad. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.